Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2016 MQ Mitsubishi Triton. The diesel, 4 in 15 2.4 turbo diesel with the 6-speed 4-drive manual transmission. There we go, got that out. Alloy tray in the back, tow bar. A few holes in the alloy tray, but nothing bad there. Good straight thing. Got a couple of good doors. Airbags have gone off. Tap on the front. You've got a bull bar on the front which looks okay so far. Good left hand seat. The front right hand one's a bit worn. We'll get to that. We'll get that compliance plate in there for you. There's one there. Read that. And we'll get everything on the other side. Pop the bonnet. Excuse me a second. There we go. Purrs like a kitten. Another compliance plate up here. There's another one down here. They're everywhere. There we go, 716. And we've got 103,346 kilometres. So there it is. Yeah, it's 6-speed, 4-wheel drive. Okay, it's here for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus guys will help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.